Hello everyone, back with another off-campus drive that is from NPCI. This was a great opportunity to all the freshers where they can kickstart their career with a good amount of package. Let's see all the eligibility criteria and all the further details in this particular video. Please stay tuned to the channel until the video is end so that you can get to know the eligibility criteria, all these details in a clear way, and then you can apply for this particular drive. So the job role is a graduate engineer trainee. Okay, so coming to the next one is you need to have at least 0 to 2 years of experience, which means like you can also be a fresher or else you can have 1 year experience or 2 years experience. Coming to the next important thing and interesting thing is the CTC that they are providing. So they are providing up to 4,75,000 to 5 lakhs per annum. Guys, for freshers this wasn't a great start. Okay, so please make sure if you are eligible, please apply to this particular drive. Coming to the locations, so the locations are multiple here like Mumbai, Hyderabad and Chennai. It can be in these particular locations, so you must be available to relocate to any of these particular cities. Okay, coming to the job description, the roles and responsibilities are clearly given here. You just go through these things, which is not much important right now. Let's just straight away go to the mandatory requirements. Okay, so the mandatory requirements in the sense the eligibility criteria, the qualification must be from the degree BE BTech. Rather than BE BTech, none of any degree is not eligible, sorry. Okay, only BE BTech are eligible from the streams computer science, electronics and IT. Okay, from these particular 3 streams can be eligible from BE BTech degree. Okay, and also you must be from the passing out year 2017 to 2021 batch and 2016 to 2020 batch, which means like 2020 batch and 2021 batch pass out candidates can apply for this particular drive. Coming to the eligibility percentage, in 10th you must have 75%, in 12th you need to have 65%, and in your graduation you must have 60%. Coming to the MTech, you need to have 60%. Okay, 10th 75, 12th 65, BTech 60, MTech 60. So experience, as I have said, job locations and the skills, which is most important, you need to have a knowledge in OS like Linux. Okay, in operating systems you need to have Linux knowledge, TCP IP models, all the things which are from microprocessing, all these things, and also you must have a knowledge in Java or Python, which is like your preference in these two. And the next one is you need to have at least knowledge in data model, Sparks, all these things. If you don't have any knowledge, just go through YouTube channels you have from scratch, just know basic details. And also you must understand about the machine learning, deep learning and NLP algorithms, which is most trending topics right now. At least you need to have a basic knowledge about all these things. Okay, to any type of companies it will be an added advantage, and all these things are basic. And you need to have cloud computing knowledge, as well as you need to have basic things about data sampling and data mining techniques, which will be getting in computer science degree. Okay, if you don't get, you can have a basic videos in YouTube channels, and these are about the required skills. And the most added advantage, if you have these skills, like if you know about algorithms in a deeper way, you'll have an added advantage. Java or Python, machine learning, Linux operating system, they are working on Linux operating system, so they are stressing out here. And also you need to have blockchain framework like such as R3 Corda or else Hyperledger, Fabric, all these things. So if you have at least a basic knowledge, it is very fine, but rather than all these things, you need to have at least these things in an hands-on. Okay, coming to the next one, you need to have cloud computing knowledge. Okay, which is very basic, guys, where you will be eligible. Okay, perks and benefits is you will be having 5 lakhs per annum will be fixed, and again you will be having an benefits, like you will be having some extra benefits which will be up to 6.35 lakhs. Okay, you will be getting 5 lakhs in hands and extra benefits for up to 6.35 lakhs. Extra 1.35 lakhs will be as benefits. So these all are the things. So coming to the next one, how to apply is just click on apply. You can get this particular form, which is very easy to fill. I'll be right back after filling the details. And yes, I have filled all the basic details. Just click on submit. You'll move to another page to fill basic details again. After giving the basic details, just click on submit and apply. Your application form will be sent and you'll be getting all the further details to your email, and you'll be getting like exam links, all these things to your email only. So that's all about this session. Hope it is helpful. If you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.